Hi everyone, welcome to Gate Talks. So today is session number 2 of our computer awareness series for RRB PO Clerk 2026. Okay, so let's start. The first question you can see on the screen is, what does abbreviation EBCDIC stands for? See, EBCDIC stands for Extended Binary Code Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Here answer is option number 4. Okay. See, question number 2, what does abbreviation ASCII stands for? See, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. See, very easy question. So what does CPU stands for? I think all of you know this. CPU stands for means Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Where are files and folders typically stored in a computer? See, files and folders all are stored in a hard drive. Here answer is option number 4. What type of memory is used to store data temporarily while a computer is running? See, when a computer is running, so all the data are stored temporarily in a RAM, in random access memory. Okay. What is the purpose of creating subfolders when organizing file? See, the purpose of creating subfolders is to group related files together for better management. To group related files together for better management. Okay. What is the full form of CD commonly used in storage device? CD means compact disc. Here answer is option number 1, compact disc. Which of the following number is used to represent ASCII value of letter B? So here letter B means capital B here. So capital A is represents 65. So capital B will be 66. Here answer is option number 4, 66. How many unique characters can be represented using standard ASCII code? See, by using standard ASCII code, we can represent 128 characters. Means 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 equal to 128. Which of the following is not a register of a computer? See, accumulator, stack, program counter, all these three belongs to the register of a computer, but buffer does not belong to these groups. So here answer is option number 4, buffer. Data transmission speed is generally measured in which unit? See, data transmission is you have often seen that see all the data bits are measured in MBPS, KBPS means bits per second. So here answer is option number 2, bits per second. Full name of VLSI. See, VLSI means very large scale integration. Very large scale integration. Okay. What is the work of BIOS? BIOS means basic input output system. So BIOS we do for booting the system. Okay. So your answer is option number 4. What is the second name of a computer chip? See, the second name of a computer chip is microchip. Your answer is option number 4 again, microchip. Okay. MIPS stands for millions instruction per second. Option number 3, millions instruction per second. See, question number 16. See, which component provides power to all parts of the computer? See, it is PSU. PSU. Answer number 4. Option number 4. Power supply unit. Power supply unit. Which hardware component performs heat dissipation for the CPU? So it is done by heat sink or fan. You can say fan or heat sink. Okay. See, which storage device has no moving part? See, out of these 4 options, SSD, that is solid state drive, has no moving parts. Okay. See, question number 19. See, which device is used for playing computer games? See, for playing computer games, we will use joystick. Answer is option number 2, joystick. The dot pitch is related to which hardware? See, dot pitch is related to the monitor. Okay, the monitor part. Which architectural feature allows a CPU to execute multiple instructions in different stage of completion simultaneously? See, this question is from computer architecture. Okay, so it is done by pipelining. Okay, pipelining the whole process. Okay, so your answer is option number 2. Which type of RAM requires speedy refreshing to maintain data? So very easy question. For refreshing, we require dynamic RAM, okay, not static. So here answer will be option number 2, dynamic random access memory. So question number 23. In hard disk technology, what is SMART? See, SMART is a one type of technology where it is used for monitoring system for drive reliability and failure prediction. Okay. So answer number 2. Okay. Which memory is built directly into the CPU chip and is faster than RAM? So this type of memory called SRAM, static random access memory, or you can say cache. Okay, and cache have 3 types. Okay, L1, L2, L3. Okay, what does VRAM stands for? See, VRAM stands for video random access memory. Video random access memory. So what is the refresh rate of a monitor measured in? See, refresh rate of a monitor is measured in hertz. Okay, hertz. What is OLED technology? See, OLED technology means organic light emitting diode. Okay. See, question number 28. What is firmware? See, firmware means is a software permanently programmed into a hardware device. Okay. Your answer is option number 2. Software which is permanently programmed into a hardware device. Okay. Which protocol is primarily used for securely browsing the web? See, for security you use ads. For security Here answer is option number 2. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure, as you secure. Okay. So write in the comment section what's the port number of HTTP. Okay. Which transport layer protocol is connection oriented and ensures reliable data delivery? So it is done by TCP. Okay. Transmission Control Protocol. Okay. TCP. What's the primary purpose of the DNS protocol? So DNS is domain name server, or you can say in some books it is in domain name system. Okay. So it is used to translate domain names to IP address. Okay. So question number 32, see which protocol is used by the routers to communicate with each other to share information about the network topology. So it is done by OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. Open Short Path First. Okay. Which protocol is dynamically assigning IP address to a device on a network? So it is done by DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Which protocol operates at the network layer to move data packets across network? So it is done by IP. Okay, Internet Protocol. Okay. What is the function of ARP protocol? See, ARP protocol convert IP address to MAC address. Okay. So here answer is option number 3. It's for mapping IP address to MAC address. Which of the following is an email retrieval protocol? See, it is for email retrieval protocol use POP3, means post office protocol, and 3 means version 3. Okay, post office protocol. Okay. Who am the following invented the computer language COBOL? See, COBOL is invented by Gracie Moore Hopper. Okay, Gracie Moore Hopper, and Dennis Ritchie invented C programming. Okay. Text seed and text formatter belongs to which category of computing? So on both this comes under word processor. Okay, word processor. Question number 39. See, who am the following invented the World Wide Web WWW 1989? So I have taught you this in the earlier videos also. See, it is Tim Berners-Lee. Option number 3, Tim Berners-Lee. What does FTP stands for? See, FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Here answer is option number 1. Okay, File Transfer Protocol. Okay, thanks for watching.